Welcome! Move over, sugar cookies. Green rice cake is here! Shaped into Mr. Frankenstein. Let's get started! I made the latik or coconut curd ahead of time. I will let this sit for the oil to drain completely. For my latik recipe and steps, click the tab to the top right corner. Now let's toast the pinipig or flakes until they puff up and turn into a bit brown. Did you know that these are young glutinous rice grains, hence the green color? They turn them into flakes by pounding them. Now let's simmer a couple cans of coconut milk. Let's add some white sugar and salt to enhance the sweetness. Adjust the amount of sugar if you want. Of course, our star ingredients, buko pandan extract, for that vibrant green color. We'll allow this to simmer until the syrup thickens. Now it's time to add our toasted pinipig or flakes. You know, the secret is to stir it continuously until they come together into one giant kulangot or booger. Just kidding. The rice cake is done when it starts pulling away from the pot as you stir. Let's turn it over to a baking sheet. I used parchment paper so it does not stick. Let's cool this down before molding it. Oh, I used banana leaves wilted on both sides to make it pliable. But you may also use parchment paper, cupcake liners, or whatever is available. I used 3 sheets of wilted banana leaves that I cut into the size of my Frankenstein mold. By the way, my husband 3D printed this for me. How cool is that? I think my rice cake is cool enough for me to mold. Anyways, shape or use any Halloween mold of your choice. I had to scrape the sides with the skewer and bang the mold a couple times on the surface to remove the cake. But it came out perfect. Look at that. I added tiny ears too. I made a total of 10 Frankenstein rice cakes. Let us start drawing Mr. Frankenstein. The coconut curd or latik is its hair. For it to stick, I grease the rice cake with the coconut oil. And now for the part that's exciting and fun, drawing and decorating. You may put as much latik as you like. Let's put the eyes. Let's make it look goofy by drawing a unibrow. And goofy black lips. You know, just have fun with it. However you want. And a nose with some stitchings. And there you have it, you guys. Mr. Frankenstein. Let's place the decorated rice cakes on a parchment paper for the colors to pop. Ooh! Mga unta! Mr. Frankenstein. Have a safe and happy Halloween!